Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to visit a website but it keeps getting blocked, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix that easily in Google Chrome. Usually this happens because of your browser's security settings or an extension interfering with the page. Here's what you can do. First, open Google Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner, then scroll down and select Settings. On the left sidebar, click Privacy and Security. Next, click on Security. Scroll down until you see the section called Use Secure DNS, or select DNS Provider. Click the drop-down menu and choose Cloudflare 1.1.1.1. This option helps bypass certain restrictions and improves privacy as well. Once you've done that, close the Settings tab. Now, click the three dots again, go to Extensions, and select Manage Extensions. From here, temporarily disable all extensions by toggling them off. Some of them may be blocking websites without you realizing it. After that, try visiting the website again. It should now open normally in Chrome. And that's it! You've just unblocked websites in Google Chrome. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below.